Okay, so after working with the calculator and messing around with that a bit, we're going to go into some actual uses that we see with the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio in nature. And this is by going to this link called Math is Fun. It brings us to, I don't think I actually have it open. I do. Okay. So this brings us to this website. It talks about flowers and how things go. Oh, that's the answer. Don't look. So what you do with this little calculator, what you do is you can try the numbers up there, or you can try any number. You put in a number, and your whole goal is to make a pattern with no gaps from start to end, or at least as close as you can get. So you can test all these numbers. You can test whatever number you want. You can test huge numbers. You can test small numbers. That was obviously not the right option. Anyways, you play with that around for a bit. It'll tell you your answer. It'll also talk about, the reasoning why. Explains it a little bit more. Talks about everything. That's all we're talking about, and then it explains how we see it in nature, whether it's from these plants or whether it's from flowers, the golden angle, everything. And there's a little exercise here that if you want to complete, you can. But we kind of already did something like that, not as in-depth, but something like that at the beginning of class. But yeah, this is just a little activity for you guys to go through, get a little look at, like we've been talking about, plants and things actually having this within them.